Welcome. If you've been missing important mentions on Facebook or not hearing any alert when you're tagged in multiple posts, this quick guide will show you how to enable sound for batch mentions notifications on Facebook using your PC. Facebook recently updated its notification settings, and some options have been moved or adjusted. So if your notifications feel quieter than usual, this setting might be exactly what you need. Let's go step by step. First, open Facebook in your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Now, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on the notifications icon. This is the bell symbol where all your alerts appear. Once the notifications panel opens, find the three dots icon, usually located at the top of that panel. Click on it to open more options. From the drop-down menu, select Notification Settings. This will take you to a page where you can control exactly how Facebook alerts you. On the Notification Settings page, scroll down until you find the section labeled Tags. This is where Facebook manages alerts related to mentions and tags from other users. Click into Tags, and here you'll see different options related to how you're notified when someone tags you. Look for the setting called Batch Mentions. This controls notifications when you're mentioned multiple times in a short period. Make sure Batch Mentions is enabled. Once it's turned on, Facebook can group these mentions and send you alerts more effectively. To ensure you hear a sound, also check that your browser notifications are allowed and your system's sound is not muted. Facebook relies on your browser to deliver the audio alert. That's it. You've successfully enabled sound for batch mentions notifications on Facebook. Now you won't miss important tags, group mentions, or conversations where multiple people are trying to get your attention.